Good morning once again. In previous video we have done till question number 5. Now move to question number 6. Two circles have a area in the ratio 49:81. Find the ratio of their circumference. Ratio is given, ratio is given. We have to find the ratio of circumference. First use the given information. Area formula is pi r square. Squares will be cut and ratio of the radius is 7/9. You can also write r ratio r is 7:9. We want to find the ratio of circumference. Use the formula 2 pi cut again r over r. Your answer is 7/9. That is your required result. Now move to question number 7. Very important. Area of circle. Find the area of circle whose circumference is same as the perimeter of a square side 44 centimeter. In question number 7, it is given that circumference of a circle is equals to perimeter of square. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r, perimeter of square is 4 into side. In the question it is given that side is 44 centimeter. Replace the value and find the value of radius. Your radius is 28 centimeter. In this question we want to find the area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Replace the value of r and that is your required result. Now move to question number 8. A thin wire is bent in a form of equilateral triangle of side 11 centimeter. One equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. One equilateral triangle is given whose each side is 11 centimeter. It means all three sides are 11 centimeter. And if the same wire is bent in the form of circle, it means this outer boundary again bent in a shape of circle. If this same length is bent in a shape of circle, it means their perimeter will remain same. If suppose you are using a thread to make this figure, same thread you are going to use to make a circle, it means their outer length, outer boundary is same. Outer length means they are using the same thread to make the triangle and circle. So in this case perimeter remains same, area will be changed. So to find the information of the missing things, we will use this concept. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equals to perimeter or circumference of the circle. In this question side is given, perimeter of equilateral triangle is sum of its boundary. It means 11 plus 11 plus 11, or other formula of this perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 multiply side. Use the value of side and we want to find the radius. Your radius is 21/4 centimeter. In this question we have to find area of circle. Use the value of r in the area of circle and you got the answer 86.625. Now move to question number 9. In question number 9, from a rectangular metal sheet of size, one rectangle shape is given. Its size is, length is 30 centimeter, breadth is given 20 centimeter. A circular sheet of a big as possible is cut. If the maximum you are able to cut the height of 20 centimeter. If you will cut more than 20, the circle is not complete, it will be outside the rectangle. So the maximum diameter of the circle will be 20 centimeter. In this case we have to find the area of remaining sheet. This area we want to find. To find this area of remaining sheet, what we will do, first we will find the area of rectangle, then we will find the area of circle, and then subtracted you are able to find the area of remaining sheet. Area of rectangle minus area of circle. Rectangle area is length into breadth. Length and breadth is given. Replace the values. After that, possible diameter of a circle will be 20, because if more than 20 is there, the shape will not be a circle. You are not able to cut that shape from this rectangular sheet. And if diameter is 20 centimeter, radius will be diameter divided by 2. Here radius will be 10 centimeter. Find the area of circle, that is 314.285. Now to find the area of this remaining portion, we will subtract 600 minus 314.285. So this is your required result. Now move to question number 10. In this question, 2 meter wide road runs around a circular park. One circular park is there and 2 meter wide road is going to be constructed around the park, 2 meter from all sides, and whose circumference is 88 centimeter. The circumference means outer boundary of park is given 88 meter. Find the cost of fencing of the outer boundary of the road at the rate of 35 per meter. Now we have to fencing around this road. So it means if you want to find the fencing around this road, you need the radius of this complete circle. To find the radius of this complete circle, what we will do, we will find the radius of park and then add 2 in the radius, and you are able to find the radius of capital radius of big circle, that is a park with road. So in this question it is given the circumference of circular park is 88 meter. Use the formula 2 pi r and then find the radius of the park. This r is a radius of park. Now radius is given. Now we will find the big radius. To find the radius we will add 2 and your big radius of circular road will be 16 meter. Now find the circumference of circular road, that is 2 pi r. Your answer is 704 divided by 7 meter. To find the cost of fencing of outer boundary of a road, cost of fencing of 1 meter is given 35 rupees. It means total cost will be, we will multiply it with 35 and your answer is 3520 rupees. Now move to last question. Your last question is, a square metallic frame has a perimeter 132 centimeter. It is bent in a shape of a circle. First it is in a shape of square. Now we will change the shape and the same length is bent in a circle. It means same example you can kept in your mind. The thread, first we make a square, then we change it into a circle. It means if you are going to change the shape of any two-dimensional figure, their perimeter remains same. So in this case perimeter of square will be equals to circumference of circle. Side is already in the question, circumference is given, that is perimeter of square is given 132. First we will find the radius, then same radius we will use to find the area of circle, that is pi r square, and use the value of pi 22/7. Radius is 21 into 21. After multiplication you got the answer 1386. That is your required result. Complete this chapter, complete your exercise. Thank you so much. Have a good day.